Welcome to AKN Sprint Education. Myself Naveen. I'm the maths mentor. As we are discussing the most important questions, and today's our concept is about logarithms. I mean previous year public examination questions. And the first one is how they'll ask questions. Find the value of log 125 to the base 5. And also they may ask like this: log 256 to the base root 2, or else log 512 to the base 2, or else log 8 by 27 to the base 2 by 3. This is the first method, the type of problems. So let us solve now. Find the value of log 125 to the base 5. Log 125 to the base 5. Let log 125 to the base 5 you consider as x. You know children, we have exponential form, that is a power x equal to n. If a power x equal to n, if you want to convert exponential form into logarithmic form, that is log n to the base a equal to x. A power x equal to n is called as exponential form. In order to convert exponential form into logarithmic form, we have the formula log n to the base a equal to x. If you observe properly, the given problem which is in the form of log n to the base a equal to x. Log n to the base a equal to x. I mean which is in logarithmic form. How to convert logarithmic form into exponential form? Simply see. A power x equal to n. I mean log 125 to the base 5 equal to x. I can write as 5 raised to the power x equal to 125. Simply 5 power x equal to 125, which is called logarithmic form. We are converting logarithmic form into exponential form. 5 power x equal to 125. How can we write as 125? 125 I can write as 5 cube. Yes or no? 5 raised to the power 3. 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5 is 25. 25 5 is 125. If you observe here, as bases are equal, if bases are equal, power should be equated. Power should be equated. So what is the value of x? X value 3. So what is the value of log 125 to the base 5? Therefore log 125 to the base 5 equal to 3 children. Log 125 to the base 5, that is equal to 3. Now coming to second question. So what is the second question? Log 256. Second question is log 256 to the base root 2. Right? 256 to the base root 2. So what to do? Let us consider log 256 to the base root 2 equal to x. I mean which is in logarithmic form. Convert logarithmic form into exponential form. Simply root 2 power x, root 2 to the power x equal to 256. How can we write 256? As base is 2. See 256 in 2 table, 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja 4, 2 8 ja. 2 6 ja 12, 2 4 ja 8, 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4, 2 16 ja 2 8 ja, 2 4 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 1 ja. Yes? I mean 256 I can write as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. I can write as 2 raised to the power 8. You know children, root 2 we can write as 2 to the power 1 by 2. Yes or no? Root 2 we can write as 2 to the power 1 by 2 whole power x. Now which is in the form of a power m whole power n. What is the formula of a power m whole power n? That is equal to a power m into n. Right? Here 2 power 1 by 2 whole to the power x. 2 power 1 by 2 whole to the power x I can write as 2 power 1 by 2 into x. So that is 2 power 1 into x, 1x by 2. So 2 raised to the power 1 by 2 whole to the power x I can write as 2 power x by 2 equal to 2 power 8. Again, as bases are equal, if bases are equal, power should be equated. Actually the powers are x by 2, here power is x by 2 as well as here power is 8. I mean x by 2 equal to 8. So cross multiplication, x is equal to 8 into 2. So 8 into 2, 8 2s are 16. So what is the value of log 256 to the base root 2? That is equal to 16. Children, don't confuse here. Root 2 as we can write as 2 power 1 by 2 whole to the power x. Again which is in the form of a power m to the power n. A power m whole to the power n I can write as a power m into n. I mean 1 by 2 into x, which becomes x by 2 equal to 2 raised to the power 8. As bases are equal, power should be equated. So what are the powers here? X by 2 equal to 8. So cross multiplication, x is equal to 2 into 8. So 2 into 8, 2 8 are 16. So x value is 16. Right? That is our second question. Now coming to third question. Our third question is find log 512 to the base 2. 512, right? Third question is log 512 to the base 2. Okay, similar method. So which is in logarithmic form, convert into exponential form, that is 2 power x equal to 512. 2 power x is equal to 512. You know 512 is nothing but 2 raised to the power 9. As we have done in previous question, 256 in the sense 2 power 8, right? And what about 512? 512 in the sense 2 power 9. If you multiply 2 9 times, you will get 512. Simple, as bases are equal, so power should be equated. What is the value of x? X value is 9. Okay, so this is easy question only. Now coming to fourth question. Our fourth question is find the value of log 8 by 27 to the base 2 by 3. Right? So which log 8 by 27 to the base 2 by 3, that will be x. Now which is in logarithmic form, convert into exponential form. I mean 2 by 3 whole to the power x equal to 8 by 27. How can we write 8 by 27? As 8 in the sense, I can write as 2 by 3 whole to the power x. 8 in the sense which is 2 cube. And 27 nothing but 3 cube. Right? So 2 by 3 whole to the power x equal to 2 cube by 3 cube. I can write as 2 by 3 whole cube. Again, as bases are equal. Here 2 by 3, 2 by 3. If bases are equal, power should be equated. So what is the value of x? X value is 3. Understood, children? Here no need of confusing. The same method, but here there is a fractions. Even though base is also fraction, we can do it easily. So this is our first topic. I mean the method problems, they may ask for 2 mark question. Now coming to second method, they may ask questions like this. Expand log 385 to the base 10. So 385. How can we write as 385? In 5 table, 5 7 ja 35, 3 5 5 7 ja. Again 7 table, 7 1 ja 7 1 ja. Again 11 table, 11 1 ja. So I can write as log 385 as 5 into 7 into 11 to the base 10. If you observe here, which is in the form of log a into b into c to the base. I mean nothing is same. Logarithm is 10. Basic logarithm we call it as if base is 10. So what is the formula of log a into b into c to the base 10? I can write as log a to the base 10 plus log b to the base 10 plus log c to the base 10. What is the formula of log a b c? Log a plus log b plus log c. So I can write as log 5 to the base 10 plus log 7 to the base 10 plus log 11 to the base 10. In this way we can expand logarithms. Okay. Now coming to second question. Our second question is expand log 1125 to the base 32. See, which is in the form of log a by b. What is the formula of log a by b? Log a by b I can write as log a minus log b. Log a minus log b. So log 1125 by 32 I can write as log 1125 minus log 32. Now let us find the prime factors of 1125. 5 table, 5 2s are 10, 1 2, 5 2s are 10, 2 5, 5 5s are 25. Again 5 table, 5 4s are 20, 2 5, 5 5s are 25. Again 5 table, 5 9s are 45, 3 table, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So 1125 we can write as log, as 5 is repeating 3 times I can write as 5 cube into, as 3 is repeating 2 times I can write as 3 square, minus log 32 is nothing but 2 raised to the power 5. If you multiply 2 5 times you will get 32. Now which is in the form of log a into b. So what is the formula of log a into b? I can write as log a plus log b minus, as it is log 2 raised to the power 5. So what I have used here? Here we have used the formula log a into b. What is the formula of log a into b? That is log a plus log b. Now again we have one more formula. Here we will use log a power m. Log a raised to the power m I can write as m log a. M log a. So log 5 raised to the power 3 I can write as 3 log 5 plus log 3 raised to the power 2 I can write as 2 log 3 minus log 2 power 5 I can write as 5 log 2. Children, did you understand? Log 1125 we wrote as 5 cube into 3 square minus log 32 we wrote as 2 raised to the power 5. Log a into b I can write as log a plus log b. Individually we are applying log to both the terms. Again which is in the form of log a power m. Log a power m, right? So this is our second method. Okay. Let us discuss now third method as well as. Now third method, they may ask questions like this. If x square plus y square equal to 7xy, then show that 2 into log of x plus y equal to log x plus log y plus 2 log 3. They may ask questions like this. Also they may ask if x square plus y square equal to 25xy. or else if x square plus y square equal to 6xy. They may ask questions in any way, right? So that is our third concept. Okay? So what is given? Here given x square plus y square equal to 7xy. We need to show that 2 into log of x plus y equal to log x plus log y plus 2 log 3. 2 log 3. You know children, m log a we can write as log a power n. Log a power n. I mean, here we have 2 log 3. 2 log 3 we can write as log 3 square. 2 log 3 we can write as log 3 square. 3 square in the sense how much children? 3 square value how much? 9, right? 3 square value 9. Yes. Actually here we have 7xy. To get 9xy, what we need to do? We need to add 2xy on both sides. Are you understanding children? What we have to do? We need to add 2xy on both sides. That is x square plus y square plus 2xy equal to 7xy plus 2xy. We added 2xy on both left hand side as well as right hand side. Right? So x square plus y square plus 2xy, which is the formula of what? X plus y whole square. This is the formula of x plus y whole square equal to 7xy plus 2xy. That is equal to how much? 9xy. Right? Now what to do? Apply log on both sides. We have to apply log on both sides, right? I mean log of x plus y whole square equal to log 9xy. We added log on both sides, right? Now which is in the form of log a power m. What is the formula of log a power m? Log a power m I can write as m log a, I mean 2 into log of x plus y equal to, now which is in the form of log a b c, I can write as log a plus log b plus log c, right? Now 2 into log of x plus y equal to 9, I can write as 3 square, yes, plus log x plus log y. Okay, I mean 2 into log of x plus y equal to, which is in the form of log a power m, I can write as m log a 2 log 3 plus log x plus log y. So what they are asking the children? They are asking to show that 2 into log of x plus y equal to 2 log 3 plus log x plus log y. So this type of method problems are very important. They may ask any question, either 7xy or 25xy or 6xy. So let us go with 25xy. Okay. Suppose if x square plus y square equal to 25xy. Let me take, if x square plus y square equal to 25xy, then show that 2 into log of x plus y equal to log x plus log y plus 3 log 3. 3 log 3. The method is same children. 3 log 3. Okay. What is here? We have 3 log 3. How can we write as 3 log 3? 3 log 3 we can write as log 3 cube. Log 3 cube. 3 cube value how much children? 3 cube in the sense that is 27, right? 3 cube is 27. 27. Actually it is given in the question x square plus y square equal to 25xy. How much if we add to 25xy, you will get 27. If you add 2xy to the 25xy, you will get 27xy. So again we need to add 2xy on both sides. So x square plus y square equal to 25xy plus 2xy. So 25xy plus 2xy, that is equal to 27xy. Right? Everything is same. 25xy plus 2xy, 27xy. Again apply log on both sides. Log of x plus y whole square equal to log, instead of 9 we have to write here 27xy. As 27, again which is in the form of log a, b, c, log a in the sense what? Here a in the sense 27, log 27 plus log x plus log y. This everything same. So as 27 we can write as 3 cube. Yes, again 3 cube I can write as 3 log 3. Because it is in the form of log a over m, I can write as m log a, that is 3 log 3. See, again we got the same answer. 2 into log of x plus y equal to log x plus log y plus 3 log 3. If it is given x square plus y square equal to 25xy. Okay, they may ask one more question like this. If x square plus y square equal to 6xy. Again, then show that 2 into log of x plus y equal to log x plus log y plus 3 log 2. 3 log 2. So 3 log 2, what we have here? 3 log 2, which is in the form of m log a. I can write as log a over m. I mean log 2 cube. 2 cube in the sense how much, children? 2 cube is 8, right? So given question is x square plus y square equal to 6xy. How much if we add 2 6, you will get 8. Obviously 2. So again add 2xy on both sides. So 6xy plus 2xy, 8xy. Again apply log on both sides. Log of x plus y whole square equal to log 8xy. Log 8xy. Again which is in the form of log a, b, c. Log a plus log b plus log c. 8 I can write as 2 cube, which is in the form of log a over m. Log a over m I can write as m log a. I mean 3 into log 2. See, we got the same answer. 2 into log of x plus y equal to log x plus log y plus 3 log 2. So this is the most important. This year they may ask a 4 mark question this. Okay. This is our third method. Now coming to fourth method. They may ask questions like this. If x square plus y square equal to 27xy, then show that log of x minus y by 5 equal to 1 by 2 into log of x plus y. What is given? If x square plus y square equal to 27xy, then show that log of x minus y by 5 equal to 1 by 2 into log x plus y. 1 by 2 into log x plus y. So given x square plus y square equal to 27xy. Actually, if you observe the answer, we need to show that log x minus y by 5. Log x minus y by 5. So here we have x minus y and also we have here 5. 5 square in the sense how much? 25, right? So in this case, what we have to do, we need to subtract 2xy on both sides. Because there in the previous question, they are always asking 2 into log of x plus y. But here we want x minus y. As we know that the formula of x minus y whole square is x square plus y square minus 2xy. So that is the reason what we have to do here, subtract 2xy on both sides. What to do? We have to subtract 2xy on both sides. 27xy minus 2xy here. Right? We have to subtract 2xy on both sides. So x square plus y square minus 2xy equal to 27xy minus 2xy. So 27xy minus 2xy, which is equal to 25xy. So x square plus y square minus 2xy, which is the formula of x minus y whole square. Children, did you understand? Given x square plus y square equal to 27xy, what we did? We subtracted 2xy on both sides. So x square plus y square minus 2xy equal to 27xy minus 2xy. X square plus y square minus 2xy, which is the formula of x minus y whole square, equal to 27xy minus 2xy, that is 25xy. Again apply log on both sides. I mean log x minus y whole square equal to log 25xy. Log 25xy, right? So log x minus y whole square I can write as 2 into log of x, 2 into log of x minus y. Log a over m I can write as m log a, 2 into log of x minus y equal to log 25 plus log x plus log y, because which is in the form of log a b c. I can write as log a plus log b plus log c. Right? Now 2 into log of x minus y equal to 25. 25 I can write as 5 square. 25 I can write as 5 square plus log x plus log y. Log x plus log y, right? 1 by 2 into log x plus 1 by 2 into log x plus log y we have to prove, right? Now log x minus y, right? Let us arrange this. Now 2 into log of x minus y equal to log 5 square. I can write as 2 log 5. 2 log 5 plus log x plus log y. Right? Now what you do? Here 2 log 5. Let us transpose this side. 2 into log of x minus y minus 2 into log 5 equal to, we have log x plus log y. Now what you do? You take 2 as common, so that we will get log x minus y minus log 5 equal to log x plus log y. So now which is in the form of log a minus log b. What is the formula of log a minus log b? Log a minus log b I can write as log a by b. As 2 is multiplying here, let us transpose. It becomes division, right? So log a minus log b I can write as log a in the sense x minus y, b in the sense 5 equal to, as 2 is multiplying, transpose that side, it will become 1 by 2 into log x plus log y. 1 by 2 into log x plus log y. So this is our another type of method. They may ask questions in this way. Okay, these are the problems related to logarithms they are asking in the previous year public examination questions, right? I hope you understood the entire topic. Don't forget to hit subscribe button, like it and share it to your friends' children. Thank you.